Every family has its own holiday tradition. The WEEU family has theirs too. It's the Holiday Festival of Sound. For more than 2 decades, we've been the soundtrack for the holidays with more than 35 hours of commercial-free holiday music, fun, and entertainment brought to you by the Reading Musical Foundation.
'Cause I ain't been nothing but bad.
Tune in on your way to Grandma's house, on your way to midnight mass, when you're having dinner, when you're opening presents. It's our gift to you, the Holiday Festival of Sound, starting Christmas Eve at 9 a.m.
Daddy, Mrs. Wells says every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings.
That's right, Juju. That's right.
Thanks for listening to WEEU.